Hello viewer, today I am going to show you how to block YouTube on any Windows computer. So first what I will do, just I check, first I will check my YouTube is working. So what I will do, first I will open pet, type notepad, click run as. What I click file, here click off, here see, here win, here clicks system 32, here click driver, click here no file. What I will do, click here text document, select all file, here have different kind of files such as thoughts, network, services. Click hots file, click off. What I will do, uh, here uh, I get, get this one, type this, I fast. Click file, click save. Close the open again Firewall. Here I'll type YouTube. Now you see my YouTube, here YouTube is blocked. Uh, Here YouTube is offline, no internet connection. YouTube connection already blocked. Try again. Connection. My YouTube, my computer YouTube already blocked. How will unblock it? Now I'm close the browser, go to the pet source file. Here type Then uh, click File, click Shape. Now again open browser and now type YouTube.